Okay, so welcome to another episode of Echomerx product video. So in this video, we are going to demonstrate Cricut Heat Tape. So Cricut is the manufacturer of the Cricut Maker and also the Cricut Maker 3. And these are the printers that used to cut vinyls and a lot of different materials for arts and craft. So if you're definitely into the Cricut, you definitely know that this is the only heat resistant tape offered by Cricut. So I thought maybe we can demonstrate, use our tape dispenser. The heat resistant tape is used in a lot of the sublimation, dye sublimation area, like to my right hand side it was a heat press. So you need to tape down the design, because moving the design during the heat press process will create a ghost images. Alright, so we're back. This is the only heat resistant tape offered by Cricut, and it's 3/4 inch wide and 52 feet long, Infusible Ink compatible. And yeah, so let's see how it works. For our tape dispenser, we have two different core, and this is 3-inch core and also a 1-inch core. 1-inch core is mostly for Scotch tape. So the tape roll doesn't necessarily have to be 1 inch to be able to fit onto the 1-inch core. It could be larger. In this case, the Cricut heat resistant tape is definitely larger than the 1-inch core, but it will still works. So the first thing I will do is find the leading edge of the Cricut tape, and I'll just have it sit into the tape dispenser. As you recall, the procedure is very easy. So you just find the leading edge of the tape and then just tape down to the underneath of this water mill and then start turning. You probably hear the clunking sound of the tape going into the tape dispenser. That's the sound of the blade cutting into the tape. So fairly easy. I just make one turn. The tape has already been cut. So with one turn, I probably can get 1, 2, 3, 4. I can get 4 tape strip ready. So this is 1 tape strips, and it's 1.5 inch long and 3/4 inch wide. So that's one. I can feel that it's not difficult at all to turn the knob. One turn will give you 4 different tiny strips. So as you work, that will be the scenario when you work on the T-shirts, transfer sheets. You can just put this tape dispenser right here and start putting the tapes, and then the tape dispenser will cut it, and you can just fetch the tape strips and hold down your transfer sheets, and you do more transfer sheets. I don't have the transfer sheets right here, but I just simulate the situation where you can just apply multiple strips to the transfer sheets, and that's actually fairly easy. So that's a typical scenario where you're going to use the tape dispenser and also the heat resistant tape for your Infusible ink transfer sheets or any other sublimation transfer sheet. Once you're done, you just take it, move it to the heat press, and bingo. So that's a quick demonstration of the Cricut heat resistant tape, but you can actually put another smaller tape, for example Scotch tape right there. So this is how it actually looks. We have mentioned before, the tape core is larger than our 1-inch core, so it kind of like slack a little bit, but it doesn't really prevent our tape dispenser from cutting the tape into strips. The Cricut heat resistant tape definitely works on the Echomerx multi-roll tape dispensers. This is the pink one and this is the green. They're featured exactly the same. So thank you for watching.